students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find the value of the following expression when the value of x is equals to -2. So basically what we are going to do is we are just going to plug the value of x in the expression. So first expression is 2 of x minus. Here we are given the value of x that is equals to -1. So we are going to plug the value here that is equals to 2 multiplied by the -1 minus 7. 2 multiplied by the -1 is -2. And minus 7 minus 2 minus 2 minus 7 is -9. So we can say that the answer to the part 1 is -9. So this is the answer to the part 1. Now the part 2 is minus of x plus 2. We have to find out the value of this expression, that is minus of x plus 2. Here we are having the value of x that is equals to -1. Plugging the value here, that is equals to minus of -1 plus 2. Minus of -1 is +1 and +1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So we can say that the answer to the part second is 3. Now the part third is 2 of x raised to the power 2 minus x and minus 2. So this part third is x raised to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1. So third part is x raised to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1. X raised to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1. Here we are having the value of x that is equals to -1. So this is -1 to its square plus 2 multiplied by the -1 plus 1. So -1 square is +1 and 2 multiplied by the -1 is -2 and plus 1. So this from here is equals to +2 and -2 which is equals to 0. So we can say that the answer to the third part is 0. Now let's discussing the fourth part. Fourth part is 2 of x raised to the power 2 minus x and minus 2. So we are just going to plug the value here, that is 2 of x raised to the power 2 minus x minus 2. X is equals to -1. So this from here is equals to 2 of -1 to its whole raised to the power 2 minus of -1 minus 2. So this is equals to -1 square is 1. Minus of -1 is +1 and -2. 2 multiplied by the 1 is 2 plus 1 and -2. 2 cancel, we are left with 1. So we can say that the answer to the part 4 is 1. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.